this remodel, our objective was to update the kitchen with new cabinets, new countertops, LED under cabinet lighting, and add some better functionality for the homeowner with a Lazy Susan blind corner cabinet. We were stuck with the parameters where we had to use that, but again, the objective was to gain her more space, more functionality. The old cabinets and countertops, the cabinets were a 70s vintage oak flat panel. They were tired, they had done their job. The countertops were laminate, of course, which was period of that era. And the homeowner opted to keep their soffits, but were able to again add crown molding to the tops of the cabinets to give it a nicer look. The new cabinets on the project were countryside raised panel oak in a darker stain, and you can see that that crown molding detail on the top with the light valance molding on the bottom of the wall cabinets really adds a lot of character to the cabinets, takes it away from a simple look to a nicer, more luxurious look. We finished off the cinnamon stained cabinet with a bronze hardware that was very complimentary and turned out very nice. Backsplash was a blended polished marfil with dark and light stone, and we used a pencil molding border, an ivy travertine for that to terminate the borders of the backsplash. With a tile backsplash, that tile goes right to the top of the countertop, which we upgraded her to a Caravelis Gold, a beautiful granite. It has a 15-year sealant applied, which is a nice thing. The older granites used to be seal every so many years, so technology has helped that as well. Her sink is a new stainless steel 16 gauge, which is ultra heavy duty for residential, and a Kohler vibrant stainless Balera faucet with a pull down spray head that is a very nice addition to her new kitchen.